To a primetime news follow-up now, the National Irrigation Commission Limited, NIC, has temporarily shut down the Rio Cobre Irrigation system in St. Catherine. This amidst concerns of potential risk to water quality following the recent oil spill from Trade Winds Citrus Limited in St. Catherine. Ramada Lyons has the details.
There's a massive concern this oil could have possibly ended up here and beyond. So the National Irrigation Commission Limited, NIC, has temporarily shut down the Rio Cobre Irrigation system in St. Catherine.
The NIC has to be a responsible corporate citizen, and we had to proceed to shut down the Rio Cobre system so as to prevent contamination of water to our customers, and also to ensure that we deliver good quality water to our customers.
One main focus was the impact on farmers in the area who use the river for agricultural purposes.
These farmers are from a wide area. They're from over by Caymanas, they're over by Salt Pond area, they're over Turner's Pen, they go as far as Bushy Park. Unfortunately, because of the shutdown, NIC customers who use the river in the area will be affected, and we're working assiduously to restore service in the shortest possible time.
The system serves many people in the Spanish Town area. The United Nations Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean, ECLAC, points to the need for safe water consumption in the region.
There are minimum standards that the World Health Organization established, and in fact, most of the Caribbean countries do comply with the World Health Organization standard. Of course, we have to look at the chemical contaminations. So the more we pollute our environment, and that ends up in our water system, then we will consume what goes in as pollution.
Water supply isn't just about quality being provided. Instead,
you need quality and quantity to be supply the human need.
Meanwhile, fisherfolk, still feeling the pinch, protested Monday morning. They say the only thing on their hooks this Christmas is debt.
Me get order for one 6 pound of fish at 30 grand that. And Sunday, we couldn't get enough fishing. So no foolish that. We don't have no sugar in our pocket for Christmas. So we use them, how them survive.
Is that what river where we usually catch fish in a regular? And we find all of a sudden we are sure and can't catch none. I just be a little fish we catch 1 and 2.
It's stop of food right now because we can't bathe, we can't catch no water, we can't catch no fish, so it's stop our food right now.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.